Well, I'm trying to figure out, here we are at Bob's Barn Workshop. We're back at this generator. I still don't like the way the carburetor is running, so I decided to go buy a carburetor kit. I looked at the disassembly procedures. They're pretty difficult to get the emulsion tube out and stuff. And then I found a carburetor online, brand new, whole carburetor, $6 shipped. So we're going to put the new carburetor on it. So the first thing we got to do is get the air cleaner off, get the fuel lines off. I put that new petcock gasket or grommet in the tank, and it's holding fine. And it's funny, I'm up to my ears in generators. I have 3 now, and I went out and I actually found a 9,000 watt propane ready generator, so I guess I'm going to be putting this guy up for sale as soon as I get it running perfectly. So that's going to have to go back on. Off comes the air cleaner. There's the breather for the, whatever you want to call it, pollution control. I can't get that off. We'll take that off later when we get the hardest part is this one screw in the back, because it's right up in there where I can't get at it. My bit isn't long enough. Let's see if I can get it in there now. There it goes. Alright. That wasn't very tight. That could have been the problem right there, but I got the new carb. What's going on? Alright. I might not have tightened that screw up on the back too well, but I think it was snug, so. Alright, so we got to tilt this C-bend out of there again like we did before. Pull the gas line off. That's new line that I put on. These are really the wrong clamps. You should have fuel line clamps, but this is what was laying around the shop, so. Come on, you sucker. She's moving. It's like a Chinese finger. The harder you pull, the tighter it gets. Come on. I don't care if I break this anyway. So we have to all do. There we go. So I'll throw that in as a spare carburetor. I'm trying to decide whether I even want to open this new carburetor up. I'm going to go find a wrench. I'm going to take the bowl off the bottom and just check the float height, which is perfect. So nice. It looks exactly like the factory one, so I'm guessing the factory one was also made in China. They said it was going to take until November or December to get this, and it came in about a week. So I'm happy with that. Okay. Now, I tested the float already by giving it a little blow. Turn it upside down, blow on it, it shouldn't go through. Turn it right side up, you blow on it, it should. So that's a real quick, simple test I've learned from watching other guys do this. And if my screwdriver was right here. What do you think, guys? Is she going to fire up and run like a champ? I got a great low hour generator here. Ham Club bought it. It just sat for years. So all that's wrong with it is it got gunked up with varnish from the just sitting. Okay. Oops, gotta have my gasket. They sent a new gasket with the kit, so we might as well use it. You know, I like to put motor oil on these. something like that, just to soften them up a little bit. Let's see what I got here. I'm looking around. I'm seeing WD-40. So I'm going to give that a little squirt of WD. Maybe it'll help it come off easier in the future too if they ever have to take it apart, which I hope they never do. I just squirted the box that it came shipped in all covered with WD-40 now. Alright, there's one in. I don't know why I always do that, but I do. I don't know why I love it like I do. Alright. I don't know why I do. My bestie, Martin, I don't know. Sorry I gotta stick my head in front of you. Try to get that dang screw in position. Change the direction. Oh, that's pretty tight. Shall we just go for broke and put the air cleaner back on it? I'm going to open the fuel line. Let the fuel flow. Do this very gently because these drills will rip things apart pretty quick. Just use your common sense, which is a rare commodity it seems these days. This isn't the right tool, but I can't find a screwdriver. Isn't that awful? Big shop and everything's in the house toolbox or the garage, house garage. So ignition switch is on. Oh, I gotta hook the pollution stuff up. We wouldn't want to pollute the atmosphere. I'm not being sarcastic. Well, maybe a little. Alright, this is on a rolly thing, so this is going to be fun. I'm going to put it on full choke to start. Watch that. Product. That sucker's going on Craigslist or eBay, or not, maybe not eBay, but Craigslist, Marketplace. I already got myself another great generator. It's LP ready that it's actually going to end up over by the house. If you see my propane service, I'm going to hook up my new generator. The propane company is coming to put me a valve on here so I can hook up the LP hose to the generator, which will sit here. I'll put one of those generator outlets and run it to the panel, put in a little transfer switch to my sub panel, and we'll be all set for cold winter days when the power goes out. So this is Bob from Bob's Bar and Workshop. We're going to be back here again. I'm still working on those tractor wheels. I got to go buy some brake cleaner to blow them onto the rims. We'll catch you next time. God bless. Take care. Be safe.
And it's still running fine after like 15, 20 minutes. I love it.